Like take 2 questions. नहीं खोले
नहीं
दो दे दिए this would be
Okay, Malaika, the question for you is tell all the levels of organization.
Atomic level, molecular level, organelle, or cell level, or tissue level, organ level, individual level, population, environment,
Yes, yes.
environment,
near about 80-90%.
Then
biosphere.
biosphere level. Okay, okay, good. Your answer is almost 95% correct.
Answer is correct.
Okay. So the second question is give 2 examples of multicellular organization.
Multicellular organization.
Multicellular organism.
There are too many examples of multicellular.
Multicellular organism.
Frog
Okay.
and
This one.
birds.
Okay, okay, good. Birds
So
are
आप खुद भी तो
multicellular
multicellular
organism.
हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, good. Your answer is
Thank
correct.
you, thank you, Nikhil, thank you.
So the next is questions from it. So Shayan, if the statement is true or false? Volvox is colonial eukaryote. Volvox is colonial eukaryote. Is this statement is true or false? True. True. Very good. What is the human population in 2010? What is the human population in 2010 on Earth?
173.5.
Excellent.
Thank you, Shayan. Thank you,
Shayan, go
Shayan.
back to your seat.
Yes, next.
Marine, what is cell biology?
The study of cells, the study of structure of cell and their organisms is considered cell biology.
Very good. Very good. Answer is correct. Okay, which is the highest percentage of bioelement in protoplasm? Which element is in a higher percentage?
Oxygen.
Very good.
Muhammad Shave. APSAC.
2 questions this time. What does urinary system consist of? Name the all organs which are in our urinary system.
Kidney.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes, urinary ducts. And the last one is? And the last one is? The last part of urinary system is? Cloaca. Okay. His answer is almost correct.
Correct,
Yes,
almost correct. He got 2 marks.
The next one is give an example of bioeconomics. Give an example of bioeconomics. Bioeconomics. What is bioeconomics? Okay, tell me what is bioeconomics? What is bioeconomics? Don't you know the answer? No? Okay, we'll go back to your seat.
He got 1 mark. 2, sorry.
2 marks.
Another question for you is what is biophysics? Define biophysics.
Biophysics.
Yes, what is biophysics? Define it in your own words.
We study physics all.
Why we study physics in bio?
Physics in bio, maths, science, and
Let's move on to what is next question. The next one is what is colonial type of cellular organization?
it's unicellular, colonial, and its example is Wallbox.
Okay, it is unicellular organism living form of colony. Almost 50% is correct. Okay, go back to your seat. The question is define microbiology. Yes. Micro.
Micro means low.
Yes. Then what is
Biology.
yes?
The branch deals with the study of practical application of the living organism.
And we are talking about
Microbiology.
Microbiology.
Micro means low, and
The study
it
of.
is the latest profession in the field.
We are talking about microbiology, not different. Yes, please think about it. What is microbiology?
माइक्रो से आगे एक लफ्ज लगता है इसके साथ ही जुड़ा हुआ बस
Micro
द
means
स्टडी ऑफ वो आप बोल दे तो आप 100%
The study of what?
study of no biology, study of organisms.
Which organism?
Living.
Which organism?
फिर चल कर दे दो। एक लफ्ज की बात है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
Okay, let's move on towards the next question. Define molecular biology.
Micro and molecules.
What is molecular biology?
नाम से जाहिर होता है हर डेफिनेशन उसके नाम से जाहिर होता है
Molecular.
There are few molecules. And they are defined as the study of molecules.
Okay, for example.
Study of molecules, for example, micro.
Name any molecule.
Many.
Any molecule. Name any molecule. Tell me the name of any molecule.
चलिए क्वेश्चन क्या है?
What is molecular biology? Okay, Salam. The answer is half is correct. Okay, go
Half
back to
correct.
your seat.
we got total 1 mark
Yes. The next. Okay, Arush. Tell me what is medicine profession? What is medicine? Yes.
मेडिसिन प्रोविजन ये जो दवाइयों वाला काम है
This profession deals with what?
दिए गए सर्टिफिकेट.
क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या आंसर मौजूद है
Yes. Okay. They deals with surgery. Okay. And
medicine.
of course, and medicine. You don't tell that correctly, but it is. Half of it is correct.
आप करेक्ट
Next one is name the bioelements which make 1% of the total mass of human body.
इनके सिर्फ वो नंबर बता दूं कि
Yes, names of them. Bioelements in our body. Which elements are present in our body? Name them. Don't you know the answer? Okay, go back.
Muscle.
Muscle.
Yes, Michelle, define environmental biology.
The branch of biology that deals with the interaction between environment and living hosts.
Very good. Very good. Which tissue perform the contraction of stomach walls for grinding of food and moving food to posterior end?
To posterior and
Which muscles are responsible for the contraction of stomach walls for grinding of food and moving food to the posterior end?
muscles, teacher?
Very good. Muscles. Okay, go back to your seat. Next is two questions. Okay, Ehsan, what is physiology?
The study of
Yes, what is physiology?
the study of animal like animals and insects.
No, no. The answer is wrong. Okay, the next question is what is microbiology?
Microbes and the study of bacteria and
Very good.
the study of bacteria.
Very good. The study of bacteria. Bacteria is which organism?
Microorganisms.
Microorganisms. Okay, good.
Simple
Go back to your
definition:
seat.
the study of microorganisms is called microbiology.
microbiology. Okay. Okay, Mir, give examples of unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms.
यूनी ये यूनी होता है
Unicellular organisms. Cells.
Cell organism.
Yes, unicellular. Single cells. Single cell organism.
मैंने टू नेम जिससे बताने
Yes, sir. Any two. Any two. Unicellular organisms. Single cell organisms. Don't you know the answer? Okay, the next one is what is defined as the collection of organisms in which one population may increase and others may decrease. What is defined as the collection of organisms in which one population may increase and other may decrease. So what level of organization is it? In which one population increases and the other decreases. Okay, Mir, go back to your seat. Yes, Salim. Which organ is specialized for the digestion of proteins and for storing food?
Stomach.
Very good.
Stomach.
Okay, which tissue secrete the gastric juice for the digestion of protein? Which tissue secretes gastric juice for the digestion of protein? Which tissues in our stomach secretes gastric juice? Which tissues are responsible for secreting the gastric juice for the digestion of protein? Okay, Salim, go back to your seat. Define pharmacology. What is pharmacology?
The study of the branch of biology will deal with the study of medicine.
Okay, correct. Very good. A dash is the smallest part of a compound that retains the properties of that compound. A dash is the smallest part of a compound. Which is the smallest part of a compound that have all the properties that compound contain? A dash is the smallest part of a compound that retains the properties. No, the answer is incorrect.
It is CD.
Yes, Painda Khan. What are the major biological tissues?
The study of structure is called the study of structure.
Name any 4 tissues of our body. Major tissues. Major tissues of our body. We have recently studied about it. What are the major tissues of our body? Major tissues. Okay, the next one is define biology.
Biology.
Yes, what is biology?
The study of
The study of what?
microscope.
What is biology?
What is biology? You are studying bio, so you have to know about it.
What is biology?
What is
It's
biology?
a simple definition.
The study of structure.
The study of
Microscope.
the study of life is biology.
Life is biology.
Okay, go back to your C. The answer is
जी क्या नाम है?
define embryology. Yes.
The study of insects.
And the name carries the definition. What is embryology? Embryology.
Embryology.
The study of biology.
No.
Next question.
Yes, the next question is name the famous books of Jabir bin Hayyan. Name the famous books of Jabir bin Hayyan. Yes, ठीक है. Loudly. Al-Haywan है. Okay, the half is correct. Go back to your seat.
Our question is correct.
Okay, Sadly, tell me what is zoology?
Zoology is the study of animals.
Okay, very good. Clap for him. Now tell me what is physiology?
The study of living organism, the study of internal structure of living organism in physics.
Like? Can you
Like
give an example?
like a liver that
Like-
describe the first property of liver in physics and used in biology.
Very good, very good. Yeah.